Introducing The Write Factory. If you're looking for a platform to express your literary worth, either professionally or just for the fun of it, then you've come to the right place. If you're searching for a forum to promote your literary projects, be they fiction, non-fiction, poetry, ebook, audiobook, or related projects, then you're in the right forum. If you wish to impart your literary knowledge to others as an educator in whatever educational field you are a professional at, then this is the right classroom for you. If you wish to learn to write on a professional capacity, or to simply learn to write grammatically in order to hone your grammatical skills, then this is the right learning environment for you. If you wish to collaborate with other writers in order to embark on a book publishing project, then this is the right collaborative literary place for you. If you wish to read good study materials, articles, short stories, poetry, prose, blogs, etc., then you'll find the right reading materials here. Whatever literary fancy or fantasy you're pursuing, you'll find it here at The Write Factory. The Write Factory is basically a literary honing group comprising principally of readers, writers, authors, educators, and mentors. By extension, however, or elucidation, as the case may be, the Write Factory also is a skill shop for poets, songwriters, artists, illustrators, graphic artists, scriptwriters, bloggers, and anyone wishing to promote his literary or related works. Whether you're a professional reader, writer, author, or you're a literary enthusiast engaging in literary or related activities for fun, this is just the perfect forum for you. Whether you wish to promote your literary works, finished or still ongoing, or you just wish to learn new skills in writing, you're very much welcome. Our greatest joy and achievement are in seeing upcoming writers becoming authors through our free publishing services. And though we are small at the moment, we have great dreams of supporting and empowering our members to ensure that their literary dreams of becoming notable authors do come true. Welcome to The Write Factory.